Top 10 AWS Lambda Interview Questions 2024. Prepare yourself for Lambda-specific questions focused on serverless computing and event-driven architectures. What is AWS Lambda, and what are its use cases? AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service provided by Amazon Web Services (AWS) that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. It automatically runs your code in response to events or triggers, e.g., HTTP requests, database updates, file uploads, and scales automatically based on the incoming traffic. Lambda is commonly used for building event-driven architectures, real-time file processing, web application backends, and data processing pipelines. What are the supported programming languages and runtimes for AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda supports several programming languages and runtimes, including Node, JS, Python, Java, C#, Go, Ruby, and custom runtimes. The specific versions of the runtimes are regularly updated by AWS to include the latest language features and security updates. How does AWS Lambda handle scalability and concurrency? AWS Lambda automatically scales the compute capacity based on the incoming traffic, allowing your code to handle a large number of concurrent executions. Lambda provisions and allocates the necessary resources, CPU and memory, to handle the incoming requests. It also automatically scales down when the traffic decreases, ensuring you only pay for the resources you actually use. What is the AWS Lambda pricing model? AWS Lambda follows a pay-per-use pricing model based on the number of requests and the duration of code execution. The pricing is calculated based on the number of requests and the GB seconds of compute time used. There is also an optional free tier that includes 1 million free requests and 400,000 gigabyte seconds of compute time per month. How do you configure AWS Lambda functions to handle different types of events? AWS Lambda functions can be configured to handle different types of events by defining event sources and triggers. Event sources can include AWS services, e.g., API Gateway, S3, DynamoDB, Kinesis, custom event sources, or external event sources, e.g., HTTP requests. You can configure the event source mappings and triggers in the Lambda console, AWS CLI, or through AWS CloudFormation templates. What are AWS Lambda layers, and how do they work? AWS Lambda layers are a way to package libraries, custom runtimes, and other dependencies that can be used across multiple Lambda functions. Layers allow you to centrally manage and update dependencies, reducing the deployment package size and promoting code reuse. Layers can be created, managed, and shared within your AWS account or across accounts. How do you handle environment variables and secrets in AWS Lambda? In AWS Lambda, you can use environment variables to store configuration settings or secrets that your code needs to access. Environment variables can be set directly in the Lambda console, through the AWS CLI, or by using AWS CloudFormation templates. For sensitive data like API keys or database credentials, it's recommended to store them securely in AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store or AWS Secrets Manager and retrieve them from within your Lambda function. What are AWS Lambda destinations, and how do they work? AWS Lambda destinations enable you to send the output of a Lambda function to a specific AWS service or resource, such as Amazon SQS, Amazon SNS, AWS Lambda, or Amazon EventBridge. This allows you to easily integrate Lambda functions into event-driven architectures and create serverless workflows without managing intermediate queues or topics. How do you monitor and troubleshoot AWS Lambda functions? AWS Lambda integrates with various AWS monitoring and logging services to help you monitor and Troubleshoot your functions. You can use Amazon CloudWatch logs to view and search through the execution logs of your Lambda functions. CloudWatch metrics provide performance metrics like invocation counts, duration, and errors. AWS X-Ray can be used for distributed tracing and analyzing the performance of your serverless applications. Additionally, you can configure AWS Lambda dead letter queues to capture and process failed asynchronous invocations. What are some best practices for developing and deploying AWS Lambda functions? Some best practices for developing and deploying AWS Lambda functions include writing idempotent and stateless functions, separating concerns and responsibilities between functions, optimizing code for performance and cost, using Lambda layers for code reuse, implementing robust error handling and monitoring, following AWS well-architected principles, and automating deployments using AWS Code Pipeline or other CI/CD tools.